Democrats would argue that that political ideology has not been separated from the office, that the Affordable Care Act challenged by the state of Wisconsin was about political ideology. You've talked about changing the way John Doe investigations are conducted. Is that not about political ideology?
No, I don't think the John Doe thing is about political ideology. John Doe investigations are a great tool because of the secrecy. We can do things that we can't do with a regular law enforcement investigation. But on the other side, that secrecy also creates great dangers. So I don't know the details behind what's happened in the John Doe in Milwaukee County, and nor should I know those details. But I know that there's a crisis in confidence, that the public is concerned about what they're hearing about how long this has gone on, and they're starting to have doubts. I've suggested that maybe we make some changes that provide an extra check or balance in this process, just to help support that public confidence, that they can feel like this process is not political.